The best ductless range hoods. Range hoods help keep your kitchen clean and free of vaporized oil and grease. Whatever your cooking style is, fumes and vapors will come out and stick to your walls and other surfaces. The best ductless range hoods can ensure all the fumes and gases are removed from the kitchen. Modern range hoods are electronic devices that come with many modes and additional features. You have control over the level of suction power, the amount of lighting, and many more. As these are ductless, they save you a lot on installation costs. They also help you save kitchen space. If you're building your kitchen from the ground or planning to renovate it, ductless range hoods should be your go-to choice. So, watch on to discover some of the best ductless range hoods to keep your kitchen fresh and free of odor. Number 1. Best overall. Brown Newton 413004 Stainless Steel Ductless Range Hood. The high-quality 30-inch stainless steel hood insert improves both lighting and ventilation over your stove, and effectively removes smoke and odor. It should be installed at least 18 inches above the cooktop. The light area is enclosed, so the lamp lens throws light evenly over the stove and accepts up to a 75W bulb. It also has a replaceable charcoal filter, which captures all the grease that is emitted during your cooking. There are separate rocker switches that control the light and the fan for easy use, and the fan is designed for years of trouble-free service. This ductless range hood can be either installed with an optional power cord kit, or can be hardwired. This product offers ventilation for every cooking style and type of appliance beneath it. What we like: 2-speed motor, easy installation, rust-resistant materials, easy-to-clean surface, can work in an ADA-compliant application, available in a variety of widths and colors to match appliances. What we don't like: bulb not included. Number 2. Best Modern. Cosmoco's 5MU30 Under Cabinet Ductless Range Hood. This product is a modern, professional 30-inch under cabinet range hood that adds flair to your kitchen. It easily fits into any existing cabinet and is made of premium brushed, 430 grade, 20-gauge stainless steel that blends in beautifully with kitchen appliances for a stylish look. It has a slim space-saving design and is ideal for apartments. It can be converted to a ductless range hood with an optional carbon filter kit, is suitable for top or back venting, and can be installed under a cabinet or against a wall. It has a 3-speed motor low, medium, and high. It comes with durable, reusable, multi-layered aluminum mesh filters to trap grease and oil effectively. This hood is energy efficient and comes with high lumen LED lights for year-round savings. With this ductless range hood, you can be confident that you can cook with no harmful particles and odors left lingering in your kitchen. What we like: easy to clean, finger touch smooth operation, 5-inch round duct for exhaust opening, 3-prong plug included. What we don't like: some may find it sound too loud. Number 3. Best Remote Controlled. Cosmo QS75 Under Cabinet Convertible Range Hood. This hood can be installed as both a ductless range hood as well as a ducted range hood. It's a modern, top-vented 30-inch under cabinet range hood, ideal for homeowners with limited space. It fits easily into any cabinet and is made of premium brushed stainless steel that matches with your kitchen appliances for an elegant look. It features easy-to-clean stainless steel and permanent filters which capture fumes and grease. It also features twin centrifugal 500 CFM motors with arc flow and premium stainless steel baffle filters that trap grease and oil. The motor is fairly quiet, with a maximum sound of 65 decibels. The ductless option can be installed with the carbon filter kit, which is optional. It comes with 4 fan speeds to suit a variety of cooking. It has 2 LED lights of 1.5 watts to illuminate the cooktop surface. Do check it out if you want to keep your kitchen germ-free and odorless. What we like: dishwasher safe filters, energy-saving lights, auto shut-off timer, inbuilt backlit display, features remote control, digital touch control panel. What we don't like: some may find the installation process challenging. Number 4. Best Energy Saving. Sierra CAS 75918B Under Cabinet Convertible Range Hood. This 30-inch kitchen hood can be used both as a ducted and recirculating range hood. It can be ducted directly through the top venting hole of a pre-installed chimney. For a ductless operation, you will need to install the CACF006 carbon filter, which is sold separately on the motor. It has a slim profile and is ideal for condos and apartments. It features a 3-speed fan, which can be adjusted according to the type of cooking. Its powerful motor and suction effectively remove all smoke and odors. It comes with a sensitive push button for convenient operation. It features 2 LED lights to brighten up your cooking range and kitchen. Its efficient 5-layer aluminum mesh filter effectively traps grease and is easy to clean. What we like: space saving, easy control, energy saving, high efficiency, quiet operation. 4.72-inch duct. What we don't like: some may find the air circulation power a little weak. Number 5. Best sleek and slim. KitchenX's stainless steel T16A range hood. This 30-inch under-cabinet stainless steel ductless range hood has powerful aluminum fans with a 300 CFM bronze motor and a 3-speed push-button panel. It features 2 front-mounted high-lumen LED lights that evenly illuminate your cooking range, along with being energy efficient. It also comes with 2 hybrid, innovative, and durable stainless steel baffles and mesh filters to trap grease while cooking. It easily fits into any cabinet and saves kitchen space. The premium brushed stainless steel of this hood matches most kitchen appliances for a classy look. The built-in power cord has 2 outlets top and rear, and the range hood is available in 3 venting options: top rectangle vent, back rectangle vent, and a ductless setup. What we like: carbon pre-filter, slim and sleek, ultra-quiet design, reusable filters, dishwasher-safe filters, easy to disassemble, has ETL license. What we don't like: some may not find the suction powerful enough. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.